Hi guys, in this video we will be going to discuss how to install numpy and pandas in your PyCharm IDLE. So in this video we will be using the PyCharm Professional, but you can just use the normal PyCharm Community version for the whole thing. So just go to the new project and just we have to make a new project. So just go with test pro like that and just choose the framework which you want. So I'm using the 3.10 version. So after that you just don't forget to click here, create a main.py welcome script, then create the whole thing. After that you see these things, so you just don't have to do anything with that. Just go to the Python packages. You can see we have 3 packages already installed, like the pip. We need the pip, the Python package installer. Go to terminal and just write pip install numpy. Okay, so it's installed. Similarly pip install pandas. So yeah, it's done. So you can see and verify it from there. So yeah, we have pandas as well as numpy. If you need the documentation, you can go here, and even for the pandas, here we have the documentation. So yeah, you can just see there. And after that, something known as coverage is also there, so we can install that. But first we need to just go with the configuration. So add a Python configuration out there, and I just name it as main. Okay, and just rest things are similar. Just okay, and just go test, and nothing is there. Okay, so install coverage from here, and yeah, so it's installed. That's how we just install pandas and numpy in PyCharm IDLE. Thanks for watching.